Hey guys, welcome to this iOS setting guide, and here I'll detail how to fix control center not working on iPhone iOS 18. So if you are within any application on your iPhone like this, and then you are trying to access the control center, now you discover that the control center is not working, then this guide is going to walk you through how to fix this step by step. This is not only on the apps application alone, this could be on any application you open, and once you open it, you should see your control center not working. Now to fix this, all you just need to do is follow the steps I'm about to share with you in this video. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is just go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and locate control center. Once you can find that, click on it. Then here you should see access within app. If access within app is disabled, you'll not be able to access your control center when you have any application open, including the settings app. But you will still be able to access the control center from the home screen. Now to access control center within apps, just turn this feature on. Then you can just scroll down and then you see the control center working actively. So that is basically how to fix control center not working on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.